Hello friends, I'm Somaranjan Naik. I welcome you all to my channel, The Mango Researcher. Dear friends, the last 1 week has been really very overwhelming for me. The number of messages that I got on Messenger, the number of mails that I have received, the love you have shared in the form of likes and comments in my video has really touched me. The two videos that I uploaded, the one being what not to do in M.Tech. I think if you haven't seen, then you can get the I button of it over here and you can click and go over there to watch it. The second being what to do in the first month of your M.Tech. I'll put the I button over here. I can also put the link of both of the videos in the description below. So I thought, why not to make another video purely out of my experience, which will again help you. So let's see what are those points. Most of you must have seen in the thumbnail the 5 important points that we are discussing today. But one by one if we go, then we get to see the first and the foremost thing that you should do today within 24 hours of watching this video, 24 hours, is making a CV. Dear friends, most of you must have made a CV in your B.Tech final year. But I would say that rewrite your CV. Whatever achievements you have, be it the prize that you won in debating or sports activities or singing, dancing, in studies, whatever achievement you have, be it a scholarship that you got, whatever you have, include that in your CV. And then after doing it, you can write to the training and placement cell of the college that you have joined. Request them to provide you some good CVs that they have. Every TNP cell has some model CVs available with them. Request them to provide them to you. And then what you can do is that you can compare your CV with the model CV and see is there something in which you lack. Dear friends, if you make the CV today, the advantage is that you have complete 2 years to think over what are those points which you should be working on. Most of the students, what they do is that they prepare their CV after 1.5 years or 1 year when the placements approach them. But no, you shouldn't do that. You should do it before you join the college so that you have complete 2 years to work upon those points which you feel will improve you as a human being, which will give you higher employability quotient and also will provide you the confidence to fight with the odds. Yes friends, this is why I want you to make your CV today. Make it. There are by this time you can also ask for not only the TNP cell. I would suggest you can also ask to the department seniors you have. Okay, most of you must be in the process of registration now, so you must be in touch with some of your branch coordinators, branch seniors. Why not to ask them also that if they have some model CV, some good CVs of their friends, why don't they provide it to you, so that you can look at them and then decide what should be the course of action. That is the first point that you should do. The second point, dear friends, this is something very close to my heart. You know why? Because every year I see that when a new batch comes up now, there are new shops which are stalled outside the hostels so that the new students can come and buy bed sheets, bedrolls, buckets, mugs, what all essential things you need to have, whatever essential things you need to have in your room. Students buy it new. And when you go on to buy these things are sold at exorbitant rates to the students. You ask anyone you know who is into some NIT or some IIT for their M.Techs, and you will be surprised to see that everyone feels looted by these guys, because they charge whatever they feel like, and the student is helpless. Where would he go to buy? Rather, he would prefer buying it near his hostel, at a shop stall near his hostel at higher rates. People do it. I would suggest that before you join the college, join the buy and sell page of the college on Facebook. Almost all colleges have. And believe me friends, you'll be getting pretty good things at very good rates. Some student, and you'll be amazed to see what all are sold over there. Like someone is graduating, he or she will be selling the buckets, the curtains, the mugs, the books, bicycles, name it, you will have it, that thing over there. So why should you buy it over from here, from those shops? So I would suggest that get get into those pages, the buy and sell pages, and once you are in a position to join the college and you need to move out of your house, then look into the things that you can get from those pages. That will actually save a lot of money for you. Okay, a lot of money, I'll tell you. The third thing that I'd like to say is that make use of this period till you join the college. Formal joining of the college that you make this period when you stay at home and you go for courses online, make it sure that you learn how to capture good images, good videos, and how to edit them. It's very important because at times when you present your work and you have an animation, a good animation, then it gives a positive impact in the minds of the panel that you are presenting in front of. Also a good picture, and it's not very difficult, it's easy. If you can spend some time, do it. And one small thing I'll add, that in India we don't have much of research vloggers available who vlog about their, you have Mumbai Karnikhil, you have the Flying Beast, they describe their daily life and their work life on their videos. But do you know someone who is a vlogger in the field of research? You may not be knowing their names. So it's important that if some people of you feel confident in front of the camera, then come out. Okay, the world is waiting for you. Let me tell you, the world is waiting for you. Because your experience in the college, day-to-day life of a college, is something that people are very eager to know. Because they don't know what goes on inside. The fourth essential point that I would like to say is to have a PhD buddy. Very important. Why is it so? Because mostly it such happens that when a master student enters into a college, they just stay in touch with their master's seniors. They are a resource, let me not deny it. Your seniors are your resource. But a bigger resource is a PhD guy, because he has spent in that department for more than a couple of years. And when you have a buddy, when you find a buddy in a PhD student, then you get so much of help. Like how to do literature survey, how to write a report, what goes on in the department, which machines are working, which machines are not working, who are the helpful TAs, all sort of information, insider information if you want, then a PhD guy is the one who can always provide you. And it's not just you milk information from someone, that is why you befriend them, but if there is someone who matches your frequency, whom you can relate to, it's better you go and talk to them regarding whatever you feel, be it placements, be it how to do research, be it how to deal with your faculties, be it how to choose a guide, be it how to choose a field, anything that you feel. Go and interact with them. I hope most of you find a good PhD buddy. The fifth point that I'd like to say is that when you move out of your house for your college, like in January or anytime that you are permitted by your college to come in, you see, one of the biggest tensions you'll be having over then is how to carry all sorts of things from your home to the college. You see, mother is someone who will be packing everything, and that makes your bag really very big. What to do in that case? Something that I tried and it was very helpful, I'd like to share with you. I had a senior acquaintance of mine in IIT Bombay. So when I finished my course in IIT Roorkee, my M.Tech in IIT Roorkee, what I did is that I packed all my books, okay, in a suitcase, and I used Safe Express, courier, and then I sent it directly to Bombay. And then I came to my home at Odisha. I didn't bring all my books to Odisha and then fly them from Odisha to Mumbai. I didn't do that. So I would say that as you near or as you inch towards joining the college, if you know someone who can actually keep your baggage for some time, why don't you send them by courier? That actually relieves you of loads of problems, because when you are new into a town, getting a cab or an auto and then putting all your this luggage into it, it really becomes a hectic job. So I would suggest that if you have some friend over there in the college, then do send it. So these are the 5 points that I wanted to tell you. Actually, I have a couple of points more. Let's include them. Okay. My personal experience says that be very nice to the office people, the department office people. Very important, because there are times when they are the ones who can save you. You want a printout from the printout when it's heavily pouring outside, they'll take a printout for you. You want some help, you want some information, they are the ones who are actually very handy. I don't know how, why, but there are many people who don't talk to them well. I have known such people in the past. But believe me, if you have a very warm relationship with your office superintendent, with your office fellow, then it really helps. Really helps. The next point, I would say that once you join IIT, I don't know how permissible it would be, but try to do something which you have never done but you always had a dream of doing. Very important. Like, suppose you haven't played tennis ever and you want to play tennis, pick up a tennis racket there. If you haven't played squash, you want to play squash, why not try it over there? Because there are many costly infrastructures which cost a bomb if in terms of membership, if you want to try them outside your campus. So this is a very good opportunity. I don't know after this COVID-19 situation how the things will turn into, but I think that if the things get into good shape, then you should try something better. Like, someone is good at drama, someone is good at sports, try something new. Just don't limit yourself to studies. Be a all-rounder human being. Believe me, your institute was made to make you a all-rounder human being, not just providing you, not just to provide you some degree. So with this, I end this video. I hope this will be of some help to some of you. If you like this video, then do smash that like button, do share with your friends, do subscribe. With this, I sign off. Thank you.